How to delete your Honor or King's account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Honor or King's account. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. You can simply install this application from the Google Play Store, or you can also use the Google Chrome for that. Now from here what you need to do is go on the top search bar and search for Honor and Kings. And so if it is available in your area, then you can simply install the game right here. So after installing and making an account, you want to delete your account of Honor and Kings, then you should follow some steps for that. So the steps that you need to follow is, if you are an Android or iOS user, the steps are same. You should open your account in the Honor of Kings. After you do that, just launch your game. Go to the setting option, look for the settings icon, which is like a gear icon on the top or the bottom of the corner. After that, go to the account management, which is simply on the settings menu. Now you will see the very option of delete account option right there. If the game allows it, there should be an option to delete your account or unlink your account from the platform like Google Play, Apple ID, or social media accounts that you have linked your game account from. Now after unlinking or deleting the account, you should follow the instruction that is showing on the screen. Like if there is an option to delete this account, follow the instruction, and you may need to confirm sometime as well. So that's how you can do it. It's pretty simple. By following the steps, your account will be deleted. You can also contact the customer support if you find any problems right there by visiting the website or customer support option, submitting the request that you have problem, and after waiting for the response, your problem will be almost solved. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.